Dear colleagues and friends, it's my honor, pleasure to welcome you to the 20th Emirates Critical Care Conference. Day one started already. It was a marvelous opening ceremony. The attendee, it's overcrowded more than what we expected. We are beyond 2,000. Speakers so far, they reached 300 plus. Lectures, it's beyond 400 plus. We are in our second decade, that's true, but it's our growth. Thank God everybody was happy and everybody was positive to share the education and to exchange the experience to reach the target, which is improving our outcome, our care to our patients all the time. As you know, critical care medicine depends a lot on technology and advancement in technology, as well as new concepts, new protocols, new guidelines, new machines, new drugs. Towards the multi-organ failure, concentrating more towards exchanging the experience and exchanging the attitude of caring about patients. Thank you very much for everybody for sharing with us. Looking forward that you get more benefit. Welcome to the ECCCdubai 20.